Alright, so I'm out on my fuse. I don't know what other bike I would be riding, but that's a fact. And it's probably windy, but it is Sunday and it just got done snowing. Like, it's not accumulative, but it's still snow. I need 510s though. These feet will not stick to my pedals. So I'm gonna go meet up with the boys. Might be too cold for my GoPro, so it might die really quick. Which will be sad. But I'm gonna do selective recording today. So I'll pick it up when I meet them. Ow.
Ow. You can get your
This frame is so small.
It is, it's a medium.
Alright, I found the boys. Gotta get fat ass.
I got so much mud of it. Yeah, same. Mine's caked.
I washed mine.
We did, but then we went for like a 5-minute ride.
So look at this. I washed mine. I just like doing 360 spins in my backyard when it's wet.
Oh, I need to kind of instruct people.
Oh, dude, I'm so stoked to get a full. That's dope. Fat boy life. Woo! Taylor has videos here.
I've been doing well. What happened? His dad is taking off the fence.
Yeah, too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who would follow me when I never thought it would have happened and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got, I never knew them from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith. Came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid.
To the next spot.
Hey, count it up on my 2 hands. If you wanna talk, I need 2 bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans. Don't get involved if you're not my fan, but if you were willing to sacrifice when I roll the dice, then I'm counting you in. Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams, they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's. No time for fake friends. Ain't about money.
Yeah, it's just this side. So guys, I just did something stupid with my crank somehow. We're walking down to a friend's house who we think might have the right tool. So like, we'll get it fixed.
Being loyal, cause when I had nothing, they stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but care about respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed. Material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones, making memories worth millions. Goddamn, part of the plan. Do what I do and I do it for them. 7 a.m. and I'm going to bed. I can't let the competition get ahead. I've been going like I never got I don't wanna stop it. I've been thinking about the people who be talking about they love it, and I know I gotta keep on winning, never gonna give into the negative energy, cause I gotta go and get it for the day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams, they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's. No time for fake friends.
My crank is loose again. Been sending stuff way too hard today. Urban Freeride kills your hardtail apparently. But it is so cold out. I have a broken crank. And so I'm coasting over to Finchie's grandma's. My mama might pick me up because I don't really feel like walking my bike home. This is how you get a bike in the back of the car. Ugh. Mama, can you help me?
I'm for fake friends. Yeah. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who would follow me when I never thought it would have happened and I never got love.